Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select connected devices, then select camera share. Okay, then you can simply turn off this feature from here, the right top corner blue button. And this feature is that you must log in with your Samsung account on your multiple devices like Samsung Android TV, Samsung Tab, Samsung notebook, Samsung laptops, and you can use your mobile camera as your webcam for this kind of devices. So it's very useful feature whenever you are using multiple Samsung devices. So you can simply turn off from full these settings. Okay, and this is one of the very useful feature if you are using multiple Samsung devices. And also if we have a luxury phones like a Samsung S25 Ultra or Samsung Fold, then you can use that phones or that devices high quality camera. That's very useful feature, quality video calling and video recording. So that's very useful feature. Okay guys, this is very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so we can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.